you guys try this one. Which one, Jeff? I don't know. Let's make this start. Start.
6, 7,
So how's this go? So any GCF?
No.
No. I see it's 2 terms. I see it's the squares because I can cut everything in half.
6 and 5.
Minus
5y squared plus 5y squared.
Yeah.
5y.
Cool. So everybody see that? So difference of squares. A thank God problem.
Right.
Brought to you by
Your commercial, right?
Yeah, sure. Alright, so let's talk about cubes. Cubes, I'm sure some of you guys remember vaguely hating them with all your might.
Yeah.
And I really can't blame you for one thing because it's that I can kind of work at. Cubes, I got to memorize the pattern. But really, it's the same thing here. Why did I put 1 6 there and 1 6 there? Because how many 6s did I have? 2. 6 times 6, right? So of course I put 1 there and 1 there. 1 5, 1 5, blah, blah, blah. So when I have my cubes, how many of each thing will I have?
3.
3. So if I put one thing in one place, I better put 2 of them in the other place.
Right.
So overall I have 3. It's the same idea. Oh, I'm sorry. This is scary math, I know. Plus I kind of yell. It's probably not good. So if I have a cube, let's do this one. Let's do a little tiny one here first.
It's 2 cubed.
True. I love it. Some of you guys, you had me in 90 maybe. You guys remember, tell yourself what you got, what you're working with.
X here.
X for x cubed.
Yeah.
8 is 2 times 2 times 2.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And here's the nice thing. Here's just to help you memorize, whenever you see a cubes, you need a little dude
And a big dude.
and a big dude.
Big one. Yeah.
So those of you who had me before in 90, you know, remember that.
So that means x minus 2.
The little dude's a little dude. You can only take 1x
Right.
Yeah.
minus
Minus 2.
1, 2. So these 2 x's have to go here,
Right.
don't they?
Yeah.
1x here, so 2 x's there to make 3 total.
Yeah.
How we doing so far?
Right.
At the end, if I got 1, 2 here, the other 2's, 2 times 2, 4, I got to go back here.
Right.
So now, right here, some of you guys might be like, why do you have all this space, man? You got x cubed. Yay! You got minus 8. Yay! But I also get minus 2x squared. What? Do I want that?
No.
And I also get, what else? 4x.
Right.
I don't want those. So right now, this is wrong, because when I multiply it out, I don't get this. I get more.
Right.
So what the middle term has to be the term that cancels the extra stuff. So for one thing, what sign do you think it has to
As
have?
an addition.
Plus, to cancel out the crap, right?
Right.
Opposite sign. Now here's what works. This times this. Always. Whatever's in the little dude, product of those things. 2 times x is 2x. Now stay with me. How many more colors do I have? None.
But there's some over there. I put them over there.
Oh, here's blue. You see? Okay. So watch this. I just put that there, right? Doesn't that give me a minus 4x? Yay. And doesn't it give me a plus 2x squared? Yay. So by putting that guy there, I've killed the extra stuff that I don't want.
How'd you know it was 2x?
Because it's what works. You can actually, if I had time, we would go through several and see, well, what's going to work here? What's going to make these extra stuff disappear? Well, since I have a minus 2x squared, if I put a 2x there, don't I get a plus 2x squared?
It was a process of elimination.
Yes. But now we can stand on the shoulders of those who did all that work and just say, oh, thanks guys, it's just this times this, that's what's going to work. Let's do another one. Because you just got to do several of these to get it in the head.
How fun.
Thanks, John. Those comments, keep to yourself.
Okay.
Or you could just stop there, and I could just let you do the whole.
How'd you get the 2x? You said the 2 times x of that, the little dude?
Yeah, 2. So x times 2x is 2x squared.
Okay.
Negative 2 times 2x is a negative 4x. That cancels. So if I have, let's say, 27w cubed plus 64. All right, first off, no GCF, right?
3.
It's got 2 terms, so it could only be cubes or squares.
Right.
Yeah.
It's obviously not squares because I got a cubed.
Right.
And 27 and 64 are both break-upable into 3 parts. Just to make up a new adjective. So 27 and W, so 3W, 3W, 3W. How's that?
Right.
Yeah.
That works.
Yeah.
That'll give you 27W cubed
Yes.
overall.
Yeah.
What's 64?
4.
4.
I love it. Cool. If you're not sure, you can just put your calculator and start multiplying something by itself 3 times and see what comes out to 64. So I put little dude,
3W.
big dude.
3W.
Yeah, 1 3W
Plus 4.
plus 1 4.
Right.
Yeah.
So these multiply make
9.
9W squared. So the other 2 of those go here. The other 2 4s, which makes 16. So I can see everything so far. I get 27W cubed plus 64. Middle term, is it going to be positive or negative?
It must be.
Negative.
Plus
Yeah, it's
sign.
gotta be.
Yes, it's always going to be plus.
It must be.
Minus, because it's the opposite sign, 12W.
Oh.
Now, a couple quick things. You can never, ever factor the big dude unless the GCF you forgot. This is never, ever factorable. Don't waste your time. It's just a byproduct of how cubes works. This will not be factorable. Second thing, there's only one negative in the whole thing. It's either here or it's here. Okay? Yeah.
Is it a safe rule of thumb if you times little dude, you get your middle number?
That's what I'm saying. Where'd the 12W come from? The pieces of the little dude multiplied. That is the way to do it.
And it's like
Why does it got to be the opposite sign? It's got to be the cancellation term. Right? Now watch. So 1 of each, 2 of each, product of the little dude. I don't know how else to say it. And that's why people hate it. Because it is sort of a memorization, but it doesn't have to be totally memorization. It makes sense. Squares, 1 of each, plus minus, yay. Cubes, a little harder because it's freaking 3 of them. 1 of each, 2 of each. Middle dude to clean the mess up. Right?
Thank God.
Cancellation gun. Alright, you guys try this one. Okay, I'm running out of numbers to do. Alright, let's see.
You got plenty of numbers left. Let's see.
Let me see. Let me just do it, Jeff. Just remember, you're breaking things up into 3 parts.
5. My question must be at the end plus.
Yes.
Let's see. 125's got to be a number multiplied 3 times to get it. So
Just to help you guys out a little bit, 125, you break it into 3 parts, it's 5, 5, 5.
okay.
You try it out 5 times 5 times 5?
5A times 5A.
So it could be 5A, 5A, 5. Okay.
Exactly.
So what do you do here?
And then plus Y to
So you could have a 5A.
oh, A.
5A.
I love it. Just break Y6 into 3 parts, so they're each
3Y.
Two Y.
Y
Two
Y2,
Y.
Y2, Y2.
Yeah, 2Y. Okay. So the little dude need to have 5A minus 2Y.
Math isn't scary, is it?
all scary.
They have an inherent dislike of math teachers.
So we like you find it out, we just don't like what you teach.
People like my whole purpose in life. Alright, I'll get over it.
Is this so you don't have to memorize the A plus B and all that other formulas for
Yes,
it?
yes. Some people teach that, some people get that. More people get this, which is really the same thing, it's just less based on A and B, more based on what you got, right? It's really the same thing, but it's just, this gives you a rule that's independent of A and B, some placeholder, right? Break it up in 3 parts, put one of each in there. So what's the little dude look like?
5a minus y squared.
Good, 1 5a minus
Y squared.
1y squared.
Okay.
25a squared.
25a squared at the end here would be,
Y4 plus Y4
I love it, and then the middle term's gotta be
Plus.
plus,
5a Y2.
and then you slam those bad boys together, 5ay squared.
Where'd you get that middle term again?
5a times y squared.
That goes in the middle.
Yep. Where did we get the 12w? 3w times 4.
The product of the little dude. The product of the little dude.
Product of the little dudes. Yeah.
So, I'm gonna try to explain this. So if the problem has a negative,
It does.
Whatever that is, goes there.
and then that one will be positive.
That has to be the opposite sign.
And then if that one
Now-
has a positive, that one will be.
Notice, this last one's always positive. Because it's already, the last sign, sounds like a movie, but the last sign is already determined by this. Negative times positive, negative. If I made that negative, it's going to mess that up, isn't it? Always a positive. There's always only one negative. It's either there or there. So if this would have been a plus,
It would.
this would have been a plus, this would
That
have
would
been a
be-
minus. That's the only difference.
Okay.
How do you determine? Oh,
Hmm?
see, that's where I'm going to get lost.
What?
I mean, how would you? Why would it go there and then go there and then et cetera, et cetera?
Whatever this has got to be the cancellation term. So it has to have the opposite sign.
Okay, so
That's
if
the
it's
way I
minus-
remember it.
So if it's
because that's
minus,
what it
it's going to
is.
start off as plus, and if it's going to plus, it's going to start off as minus.
Yeah, whatever this is, the little dude's going to have that.
Okay.
Okay. All right, let's do one more of those. And then, oh cool, we got plenty of time left. See if you guys have any stamina left.